So recently got a query regarding Google Ads for dropshipping. Hi Ali, I'm running into a problem. Google Ads tend to suspend accounts that promote typical dropshipping products. Because of that, I need more than one Google Ads account to run campaigns without constant shutdowns. Google requires unique payment methods for each account, so I'm looking for a solution how to get multiple valid payment methods. I'm not sure what's the best legitimate options are, so I'm asking for your experience. Are Google Ads invoice billing accounts a real option for smaller advertisers? Are there legitimate services that help set up multiple clients or payment methods without violating Google terms? Any strategies for managing multiple campaigns in a compliant way? I want to stay within Google's policies and avoid repeated suspensions, so practical advice is appreciated. Thanks. Okay, so you are trying to run Google Ads for drop shipping and you feel that the Google suspend accounts, so which is why you need more than one account to run, and you are asking for Google Ads invoice billing accounts as a real option for small advertisers. Okay, first of all, let me answer for the invoice billing account. Okay, the Google Ads invoice billing accounts are a different scenarios, and they are for large advertisers where you post pay your billing. For instance, if you are spending $50,000 or more a month, and if you want to pay post pay like after a month or your services, and you wanted to get payment via bank transfers or manual payments and want to have billing on your company, so for that Google Ads invoice is a better option because they post pay you. You have to pay later on. For instance, you get a specific amount of credit, 50,000, 100,000 or $1 million as a credit. So this is not for small advertisers. Google Ads invoice accounts are for large or big advertisers. But will the Google Ads invoice account will solve your problem or not is the main concern over here. No, it will not solve your problem, because what you are having is, when you feel that Google Ads tend to suspend account that promote typical drop shipping products, is a feeling. It means that your website is not compliant with Google Ads policies, and this will make even the Google Ads invoice account being suspended. So now you may be wondering on how to get compliant. Okay, first of all, Google do not block drop shipping. You can run Google Ads for drop shipping. Let it be very loud and clear. Now, but the main problem is compliance. Most of the people do not know. What you are having is, when you are trying to add bulk products, you do not know the exact description or wording which can cause suspensions. For instance, wrong claims, repeated claims, exaggerated claims, artificial claims, or claims which do not have any scientific evidence or real validity will cause your account into suspension because you are faking it. So Google do not allow it. Try to understand. The main problem is with either your ad copy or your product description on your website, which is causing the suspension. So the compliance is the most important thing you need to do to run Google Ads for drop shipping, and you do not need a specific invoice account, but rather a single search account or a regular account is going to work to have it sorted. But if you want me or my team to audit your Google Ads account, ad copies, or website, you can hire us. Or if anyone needs help or a professional assistance, why? Because there is a specific compliance center with your content on your website which need to be approved to before you run your ad, so that your account do not get suspended. So you can hire me and my team, because we have a team of professionals, plus we use 160 plus steps checklist to ensure the compliance of your Google Ads plus your website for any Google Ads issues. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. You do not need a specific account. Normal account can work fine as long as you are following the Google Ads policies. And if anyone needs help in optimizing the Google Ads or auditing their website or ad copy for Google Ads, you are more than welcome to hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope this answers your question as well. Take care and bye-bye.